Representing UGRA House. International news. China says after Taliban must reform before full diplomatic ties. National news. Case or delays in appointment of judges missing from consulates. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will come.
Sport news is brought to you by Community representing UGRA House. State news. PM Modi congratulates Revan Reddy for being sworn in as Telangana CM. Sport news. India's top two cricket future in women's cricket begins with T20 cover again with England. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today's weather report is brought to you by Representative of Plateau representing UGRA House. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Thank you. My name is Jan from grade 2 as representing UGRA House. Thought. Reading is dreaming with eyes wide open. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Anthony from grade 5 as representing UGRA House. God, confidence, it means believe. Believe it can have within. Please friends, spell after me. Confidence.
Confidence.
C-O-N-F-I-D-E-C-E. Confidence.
1 to 5 GK questions is brought to you by personally of grade 5 Hazel, representing UGRA House. Question for grade 1 and 2. How many zeros are there in 10,000? Yes, you picked correct answer. Let us appreciate you. Grade 3 and 4. Who is our district collector? I repeat my question. Who is our district collector? Sorry, you picked the wrong answer. And the answer is Srimati Vallur Kanti. Grade 5. What is the fastest running animal? Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate it. Open question for all. Name a animal that has trunk. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Let us appreciate it.
Good morning to all. Today the house is going to demonstrate. pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. I treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. To India will be Atmasparti, a long life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
International and national news is brought to you by Vanilla of Grade 9 Jasper, representing UGRA House. International news. Qatar pushing to repair truce, bring comprehensive end to Gaza's war, says country's emir. National news. Government studying the equivalence of pass for CBC jobs in India. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Sana Kausar of Grade 9 Jasper, representing UGRA House. State and sports news. State news. PM Modi congrats Revanth Reddy for being CM. Sports news. India laps to women cricket against England. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Jansi of Grade 6 Jasper, representing UGRA House. Today's weather report. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, humidity 55%, wind 13 kilometers per hour. Thank you. Have a bright day. And today's thought is brought to you by A. Saraya of Grade 7 Suffer, representing UGRA House. Thought. Hope but never expect, look forward but never wait. I repeat it again. Hope but never expect, look forward but never wait. Thank you.
Children. Today's word is brought to you by Simon representing UGRA House. Word. Rebuff. It is a verb. It means to reject or criticize sharply. Friends, please repeat after me. Rebuff. R-E-B-U-F-F. Thank you.
To all. Today's article on 8th wonder of the world is brought to you by Nifat of Grade 8 Jasper, representing UGRA House. Angkor Wat Temple in Cambodia becomes 8th wonder of the world. The Angkor Wat was built as Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, gradually progressed to become a major temple of Buddhism. Angkor Wat Temple, located in northern province as Siem Reap in Cambodia, has defeated Pompeii in Italy to become the 8th wonder of the world. The unofficial title 8th wonder of the world is sometimes given to building structures, projects, designs, or even people who are thought to be comparable to the 7 wonders of the world. Angkor Wat Temple holds the Guinness World Record for being the largest religious structure in the world. The Angkor Wat was built in the 12th century as a Hindu temple by Khmer Emperor Suryavarman II. The temple was dedicated to Lord Vishnu and gradually converted into a major Buddhist temple by his successor Jayavarman VII, who also built the famous Buddhist temple of Bayan nearby. Angkor is also famous for statue of 8-armed Vishnu, also believed as worshipped by locals as their protecting deity. One of the interesting facts about Angkor Wat is that it is also popularly called Yashodarapura. The name Angkor is derived from Nokar, a Khmer word meaning kingdom, which is derived from Sanskrit Nagara, which means city. UNESCO has established a comprehensive program to protect this historic site and its surroundings. Thank you. Have a good day. My friend will continue GK questions. Today GK questions and article is brought to you by Lalita from Grade 7 Jasper, representing UGRA House. Question for Grade 6. Which monument is declared as 8th wonder of world? I'll repeat it once again. Which monument is declared as 8th wonder of world? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Angkor Wat. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. Who built Angkor Wat Temple? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Suryavarman II. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the other name of Angkor Wat? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Yashodarapura. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which deity is worshipped in Angkor Wat temple? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 8-armed Vishnu. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a good day.
Going to mess for eating. Now let us see the behavior of the student sitting here. Now first person has interest and concentration but has no time to eat. So he stopped there itself without going to canteen. Now the second person, he is having time and concentration but he has no interest to eat. So he is not able to eat the food and wasting the time. Now the third person, he have both interest and time but no concentration. So as he is lacking of concentration, he is spilling water on him and he kept the water bottle in reverse without opening the cap. As he is lacking of concentration, he is behaving this way. Now the fourth person is having all three things: interest, concentration and time. So he is able to take the food properly and not throwing food, and he is able to drink water with his own bottle, and he is doing his work properly and finish taking food in time. Now, as we have seen the behavior of the students, we can understand that if we don't have concentration and interest, time we cannot do any work properly. Even if one of the thing is missing, we cannot do any work properly. Taking this as an example, while reading a book, we should not miss any of the three things. In case any of the one things is missing, we cannot study properly and nothing will be able to understand. So from now, let us implement these three things to achieve anything. Not only book, in our daily life activities, we need all these three things. Thank you.